In a country where roads carry more than just traffic, they carry ambition, load, and trust. Here, we don't just manufacture vehicles, we build the backbone of everyday movement. Every frame forged in-house, every circuit wired for purpose, every bolt measured in reliability. This is not just a factory. It's where electric mobility meets Indian resilience, where engineering doesn't cut corners, it carves the future. JSA isn't about speed, it's about staying strong, about vehicles that don't just run, they endure. JSA, India's movement, made electric.